And then, permission to share my screen. Live. Okay? Ngalan samahan sa anak sa Diyos. Sir Ulysses, accepted niya si Ma'am Bohol. Okay? So, siya. Okay, enjoy the song.
I don't wanna act too high and mighty, 'cause tomorrow I may fall down on my face.
For watching, no? Did you enjoy the song? Beautiful song. Sige, to process the video, I'd like you to put in the chat box. Ano bang natutunan na? Number 1 question for attendance na po din, no? What do you thank the Lord for? Kanang extremes ba? No? Like sunshine and rain. Okay? Question number 1. On extremes. Ano na to inyong mga kuandi? Mga answer, kadiyot? It's a beautiful day, yay, yay. Then mag-picture ta. Kuan ma'am, duha. Kuan man siya, plus, minus. No? Like sunshine and rain, opposites ba? Yeah, the gift of life, unsa may partner ni life. Blank, fill in the blanks. Ako kay friends and enemies. O, di ba? Duha class. Frenemies. Frenemies na lang. Pretending to be friends. Ha? Sige, kamo daw. Palihok ka daw na inyuhang mga brain. Ngapi na mo, class. Problems and blessings. Yes, no? Blessings and trials. We go. Kaya ito ning ilibro. Ay mo na itong libro. Blessings and challenges. Okay. Friends and frenemies ako Such an amazing life. Blessings and trials. Loss and gain. Life and death. Diba? Nami kinang mamatay na taklas. Kino more pain. Yung tulid na ta. Unya. Dong na ta sa heaven. Asa man mo pa dong? Heaven and hell. Di lang ta mukha na ng hell. Di lang ta mag-thank you. Di lang thank you anang hell, Lord. Oy, sorry. Yes, success and failures, no? You remember that line nga siya nga. Dili kay ko mag-high and mighty. Kay tomorrow, madagma niya ko, no? Takmo, pak. Okay? So you notice, class, ako, I'm into qualitative research, no? So, every time, unconsciously, every time I see things happening, mo process din na akong brain, maghimo din na siya teams, no? So, ako nabantayan, katong mga naabito sa peak sa ilang career, niya, hambog na bito kaayo. Nag-iila ba? Feeling na kaayo, no? Usually, nagi may tabo. No? May tabo nga di kaayo nindot. Okay? Muna gitawag o, it is when you are at your highest peak that the devil will get you. Pantay dyan mo fast, no? Nagtaas na kayo yung posisyon, no? Is when you are at your highest peak. Kaigay tantong highest, high lang. The devil will get you. Di mo madlok sa devil? Wala ha? Who said this? Si Kuan, kana kong gwapo nga negro nga idol. Later, nalimot ko siya ngayon. Denzel Washington. Huh? He said this katong sa negro po nga bugiro na bito ka siya. Gisagpa bito yung asawa. Pag ikuan yung asawa, gibuli niya yung gisagpa. Okay. Sige. Manamog kakuan, ka-inspire, or na-dispire na noon. Let's get into our classroom. Before we get into our classroom, attendance check with pictures. I have your most beautiful smile. Actually, there are 4 pages, no? So bear with me as we go through the 4 pages for attendance check, no? By the way, the attendance link is good for Zoom attendance only, no? So please do not share it in the group chat kay unfair man sa naa sa Zoom, no? So as much as possible ako man ang ibalik-balik og send, especially before we close, no? Kay to give justice to your presence here, mo tong mag-attendance ta here. Okay? Sa form. Page 1, it's a beautiful smile from you. Ready, get set, go. Page 1. Puhag smile, Jack Jones, oy. Na ako'y dabasol nga. Sir Behok, ayaw pa ng piling. O, ayan, ready. Smile. Catch na ko kay na piling si sir. Okay. Ayan. So, page 2. Kuan sa gahi sa class aron ma-catch mo in your most beautiful. Page 1 pa ha, page 2. Page 2, wala na ko sa page 2. I-shoot inyong naong sa camera. Tanaw, ilang ka ba mo sinindot nga. Mariza, forward march. Aron masud mo sa camera. Si Ma'am Gracie kakawo. Smile, kadjut lang. 10 seconds. Go. O, di ba? Nindot kayo ang picture kung naka-um din mo sa camera. Okay, then page 3. Ba, kung picturean mo for ID, ingnon mo nga, okay na ni siya, ma'am. So, nataan ni ma'am. Yung ka 20 na ni take. Pagyapon mo go. Mingan ang cameraman. Muna dyan na imong naong, ma'am. Muna tayo mahimuan na. So, smile. Bisag ika-40 pa nag-take, ma'am. It is given by God. Huh? Di ko ka-download sa Zoom sa akong phone. So, unsa man ta ni ma'am? Ikuan man basig puno na imong memory, ma'am. Dako bayag kaon si Zoom. Page 4, finally. Thank you for coming. Okay. You may now hide. And you may now go. Ikaw eh. Pait sa gamay og storage. Nya, walay kapalit. Sige ma'am, I'll let you borrow my phone. Dali, akong ipag-grab nimo sa pardo. I have students ba sa undergrad. Yung siya, ma'am, sorry, absent ko. Kaya wala ko'y load. Pasahan taon na akong load para So, ganun cake story sa buhay. Class, ang atong phone, atong laptop, investment na, no? Puhunan na to sa atong trabaho. Okay? So, instead of buying other things nga walang kabuluhan, pareha na ako, no? Hilig kay ko mag-mine-mine o pataka na lang. Kining pandemic, no? Narata sa laptop niya. Dagan kayong baligya. Ay, hala. Sige. May panghatag rapod na ko iguman. Okay? Sige, daming dakdak ni ma'am. I'll share again the attendance link for those who just came in. Okay, so I will share the start, in the middle, and the end. Okay, nawala lagi. Sure mo okay ang audio, ha? Ako na lang to i-send o subcast eh. Okay, so for today, our topic is on divisibility. Okay, divisibility. And here is the attendance once more. Okay. So when you say divisibility, no? Can you put in the chat box what is meant by divisibility or divisible? What do you understand of divisible? The word divisible. Go class. That's question number 2. Then we go to our classroom. I love the song, no? Nakasayaw dyan ko class. Sayaw mo? Ikaw ramamoy. Sayaw lang diya, ma'am. Captions. I'll enable caption. Okay. Where's our classroom? Here. Okay. So we get inside and check kumusta na ang mga submissions. So pa man yung problem set, no? Okay. Hello, it's loading. Okay. So if we look at this, we have only 2 yet. 2 June 19 and today. And the due date. Okay. So we have this update, sums and products. Kani may nani class wa pa ni masubmit, ha? So you mark as done, no? Mark as done your Google form para dili mo ma-missing. Wala pa ni si Sir Aldaya, assign pa man because after July 15 today, after today, this will now become kaning mga blank dire, this will become missing. No, missing. Okay? Okay. Anyway, up to 11:59 today. Before mo ma-missing, ha? Kani, due date naman siya. So, wala kasi, missing na siya. Okay? Missing you in my classroom. Ano, yabag si mami. Update lang. Ako lang scroll kay madagbasa, no? There are 86 of you. Okay, we're good. Letter P, Q, R, S. S. S pa rin. E, P, Z. Question?
Question daw kanang blank daw kay wala ka pass.
Wala pa kapas. Kaya wala pa may deadline, ma'am. Haven't submitted yet. Okay na, ma'am?
Ang
Kita ko ni Ma'am Juby. Ma'am Juby, panghatog. Okay ra, ma'am. Oy, laban lang. No? I appreciate that. Naibugan niyo. Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
And then mark as done. Mark as done is the secret. Yung hangkuan, i-click ng mark as done. Okay? Because Google Classroom is like a secretary, no? It records those submissions. Although, ayaw kaguol, don't worry because in the Google Sheets, you will be logged in there in the time that you submitted. But you have to link the Google form to the Google Classroom by clicking mark as done. No? I don't have that view in my classroom because I am an instructor's view. No? So you have it in your own view. Pangitaan ng mark as done. That's the key, no? Para you will be logged. Ma-record na mo sa Google Classroom. Okay? Tatanan ha, mo dyan yung problema always. That's the problem always that you forgot to click mark as done. Sorry class, nakuyawan sa kusang silingan ng hagba. Okay, so let's get inside our day. Ano ba day? Napaka-utang nga Zoom recordings, no? Ang salibad. Done na name, meet and greet. We're here. Okay, this is supposed to be an exam, which I already uploaded. Huh? We're done with numbers and sequences. Okay, and we did sums and products. And now we're into divisibility. The integers is a video that I think we watched. 2 minutes naman siya. And then today we will have divisibility. That's why I'm asking, what comes into your mind when you hear the word divisible? Inglitan class. Na ay napo ka, ay napo. Loading siya. So, pananglitan na ay Can I write? Ayaw pa mag-write eh. Okay, militan lang ha. Sorry, Jigger. Okay na. So, when you say divisible, inyong, can I ask the activity, Doc? There are two names in it. Is it by pair? Yes, Ma'am, and she, no? Find your partner. No? As much as possible, all exams, no? Except for the final exam, no? You do it by pair. Tabang, Ma'am. Find a lifeline. Huh? Yeah, so your answers, when you divide the number is a whole number. Okay, ayusin natin yan ha. Capable of being divided. A number can be divided. Oh, this one can be divided without remainder. That's very important, no? Walay salin. Okay? Pananglitan, if you have 6 apples, lisura sa apple, eh. Siya sa drawing on class. Pagtay apple niyo. Eh, may lagi ko ka. Alright. I wanna run. Okay, I'm in, good? I'm in Google Forms. I'm in Google Docs. Hindi na lang ako in. Okay? For example, these are apples. Now you have 6 apples. Okay, niya ang magbahin kay si John, si Mary, o si Juvie. No? So, pila ang magbahin class? Tulo.
3, Doc.
Pila sila? Tagduha.
Tagduha,
Kang John, kang Mary, kang Juvie. So, is it equally divided? No?
Yes, Doc.
Ang 6 divide by 3 katao equals 2 apples and walay remainder, no? Nabutal. Walay apple nga bahin-bahin nun. Okay? Yes, we always go back to elementary. Oh,
Pambata.
nice star. Star. O, 5 lang, no?
It's a beautiful day.
Magbahin sa, ang magbahin sa, sa dungog yun yung chick. Yeah, I'm doing it the elementary way, ma'am, because when you teach math, you go back to the basic. You go back to the foundation. Binata ka diri ha, because you'll be going back to your students. It's not for you. It's giving back to the students. No, you are Master of Arts in education, teaching mathematics. You don't teach yourself, no? Only. Muni kalamit sa teaching class because when you learn, you transfer it to your students. You are one step more, no? You are walking the extra mile. Okay? That's how we do it at Ateneo. O balik yung kasi minsan, unsaon nini mo pagtudlo, no? Ana siya. Dili, wala man ko maghimo ninyo nga engineers, nakuto ba sa inyong brain? Dili. Because you'll be going back to the classroom. Mabalik mo dito, magamit mo crayons, no? In my actual class, magpadala gyud kong crayons, mag-drawing gyud ta, no? That's how you understand. Ikaw mismo, makarelate ka to the real life so that you can let your students relate it as well to their real. Okay? Una, ang guro ang pag-asa ng bayan. Eh, siya ang mutudlo sa mga estudyante. Okay? So this one, when you have 5 stars, no? Wish for the star, bahinon og duha. So, unsa naman ang bahin ani ma'am? Ang pila naman sila. So, duha man sila, sige, tagduha lang sa mo. O, naay sobra nga. Usa. No? Naibutal. Sana pagbahin. Dili na siya. Divisible. Okay? So, when you say 6 divided by, ilan to gani? 2. Ay, 6. 5 day. Oy, sorry. Hindi ko 6 divided by 2, 3, no? Ma'am, iya. Itagduha mo, pero naay usa nga mag-pick mo. So, Conclusion there is 5 is not, we all caps man, divisible by 2 because there is a remainder. While here we say, so big ma'am, 6 is divisible by 3. Because ating kapatid yun, walay lalisan nga sobra nga brutal, na? Karinyo brutal. Okay, do you understand now? So that is our lesson for today, divisibility. Okay, we are now in bullet number 3. We're done with first bullet, second bullet. So congratulations and hang on. What is divisibility? Muna akong unang question, no? Daghan kayo mga mga chuchu, no? So formally, according to Rosen, this is the definition. Okay? Given A and B to be integers. So you have A and B, para ganyan 6 and 3, 5 and 2, no? Such that nga na ay magbahin. Okay? Na si Joseph, na si Mary, na si John. Okay? So the defined term here is divides. Okay? A divides B, and we also define is a divisor, and we also define is a factor of B, as well as a multiple of A. So what are these? When do we say that number 1, A divides B? A divides B if, so it's conditional, kung naa kay makitaan nga, lain gid sa red, no? Lain nga integer nga nila natog C. Okay? Such that, or nga, you can write B in terms of A and multiply by C. And ang A mo divide sa B, kung naay C, nga masulat nimo sa B, masulat nimo si B in terms of A, multiplied by C. For example, sa to ma'am, sample ganina class, ato ang A kay, ilo to ka apples? Una ta sa B, no? Ang magbahin, ang tao. Tulo ka tao, no? Yang bahinon ang apples. Unom ka apples. Okay? So, question, does 3, kaingon man, does A divide B? Yes or no? Or equivalently, does 3 divide B? Which is 6? Anak class, matubag na siya. Ingon mo, yes. Sana na ko, why? Sige daw, kamo daw sa class 2. Does 3 divide 6 following this definition? Ako pero meron pa mga example. Yes, because if we follow the definition, we can write B in terms of A times another integer C. Integer na ha? Ibuok. No? Ang A and B integer po. No? So, what is B? That is 6. We can write 6 in terms of 3 multiplied by, and sa ito multiply, put in the chat box. Put in the chat box. 6 equals 3 times ano? Mga bright, oy. Siyempre, ma'am, elementary na, oy. No? Okay, 2. Yeah. Question. Lista na kog 2, ha? Question, does 2 this time is C, no? Question, is 2 an integer? Yes or no? Right? 2 is an integer.
Yes.
Yes. Ano na, parang dali. Okay? Yes. No? Therefore, what is your conclusion? As 3 divides 6. Kaya ni-satisfy siya sa. Okay? Uy, naklik naman ako. Okay? On the other hand, so you have to check kung integer ba ha, monic condition. On the other hand, pila to ganiha ato ang stars, no? Ang tawag ani class, example nga dili example kay counter. 5 sir no? Counter example, no? We let A, duha ka tawo. Okay, and then B ang bahinon man, 5 ka stars. Okay? So, thus, 2 divide 5. Put in the chat box your answer. Do something like this. Ha, kani? Sige. Thus, 2 divide 5, and then y. Why, oh, why? Sige, go. Para jud dili mo manghawa sa kuan. Sige. You make something like this, class. I'd like you to make something like this. May mong no. Then why? Or you write something like this. Check na ko kung kamao ba mo ha. So, you write this. Substitute lang mga details. Okay? You will be teachers. I will be teachers. Teachers, kung yun mo. Okay, let me see. Type lang ng type. Meantime, higop ko sa akong init tubig. Okay, you look at Sir Branzuela's answer. Murag ka na pa ang pasar. Follow instructions. You make something like the one I did, no? Substitute lang with the data. Nagkaon bitaw ko class. Kagutom nyo doon. Yeah, tanawa ka Sir Kent, no? I Kent the I Kent. Okay, so you should answer like this. Mingon mo, no. And why? Because cotton mongers. No? 5 equals what? 5 can be written in terms of 2 times an integer, no? And that is 2.5. Diba? Tagduhag tunga sila ba? Tungaan mo to nilang remainder. No? And C here equals 2.5. 2.5 is not an integer. Ano lang class? Thus, 2 does not divide 5. Okay? Sige. So, ang tawagan na niya, counter example. A counter example is an example which is not an example. Catching? Sige. I'll take a screenshot because this is very basic, no? May mga, ano to elementary ni ma'am? Sige lang, papunta pa tayo sa exciting na part. Pero sure ko nga, daghang wa kay bawani. Bisag elementary ni. No? Okay? Okay, I'll send to the chat para may baw mo unsay divide. No? Divide. Okay, let's go. We'll go back. Okay, so I hope that's already clear. So in the chat box, give your own example of divides lang. Give your own example. Sa math class, should be ready to give your own examples a million times. Ilisan lang og data ba? Okay? Okay, while you populate, let's get back to our definition. So as you see in the definition, there are words that are being defined. You have divides, okay? You have divisor or factor, equivalent ni silang terms, or multiple. Okay, so in our example, we had 3 dividing 6, right? Because 6 can be written in terms of 3 times an integer, which is 2. Okay? Now, what do we call A? A here is 2. 3. Huh? Diba? Tapos balik ha. Let A be 3. Let B be 6. Okay? 3 divides 6, or A divides B. Follow the definition. Huh? 3 divides 6, because we can write 6 in terms of 3 times 2. Okay, further, ang divides, no? Further, we call A, which is equal to 3, a divisor or factor, no? A, which is equal to 3, is a divisor, or equivalently factor. They mean the same thing, no? Of B equal to 6. Okay? On the other hand, B, which is equal to 6, is also a multiple. Okay, class? These are the terms being defined of A, which is equal to 3. Okay? So that's the definition for divisor, multiple, and divides. So in the chat box, give your own example of divides. Manamang divides, no? Divisor and multiple. Okay? Isa lang. Ang uban ba yaklos kay mga bali, no? Using A and B, ha? And another example for a multiple. For that one. Which one is a factor and which one is... Okay. Ma'am Gladys, butangi ma'am, kinsa ang factor, kinsa ang multiple. Okay? Kay usahay kung A and B, mailisan man gud na siya og name, no? Ilisan og name. Okay? So, I'll also take a screenshot while you populate my chat box. Okay, these are very basic and always taken for granted concepts. Kabaw gani ko, di mo kabaw what is less than. Unsay definition sa less than, be? Ha? Pass lang sama. When is A less than B? Mo na to istoryahan dito. Number theory man. Okay? So for the symbol, we have the following. Divides. Kani. Find it in your keyboard. Give me on the screen the symbol. Oo na. Okay. There. Come on na pod class. Find the symbol divides. It's a 90 degrees straight line. Put in my screen. I'll wait. Eh, Ma'am Riza. Asa, ma'am? Okay. From the keyboard, ma'am, ha? From the keyboard. Do not write. Okay? From the keyboard, you type. Or from your, naba nasa koon? Nasa mobile? I hope it's in your mobile phone. Keypad in yung mobile phone sa Zoom, no? Likewise, si Ma'am Riza, ako estudyante. Ano ito? Ma'am Sheila, you type. Text ang gamit na, ma'am. Text. Pero katong mga wala ay keyboard, okay lang, no? So other than that, we also have what we call not divide. Okay? So this one is divides. Naasad
Dok,
tayo.
nagpili kong answer, Dok, ba? Unya ka man, direct message din ako kasad siya. Wala din siya naka
Okay. Okay. Sige, sorry. Sir, i-share na lang, sir. Okay, thank you. The other one is does not divide, no? So, ang symbol sa class, kaning straight line yan ay slash. But since you cannot have two characters in one, in one position, you just write that and then pa. Na? Parehabag. Equal mo type tag equal, no? Ana, no? Nga. Okay, not equal, butangan na lang na to. Pa. Okay? So, when we say less than, na. Not less than, pa. Greater than, not greater than, pa. No? Subset, not subset, pa. Superset, not a superset, pa. Na? So, the pack there, the slash, is the not. Okay? And then, do not confuse the notations. A, no? Divides B, okay, from A slash. There's a difference between the 90 degrees. Di siya class, no? Kung patakan, ha? There's a difference between 90 degrees na and the slash, kanang division. Ha? Okay? Because the first one is A divides B. Okay? Meaning that you can write B in terms of A times a C, and C an integer. O na ang definition, no? On the other hand, siya ha, ang taba saan na A divides B. Okay. On the other hand, kani nga slash nga takilid, no? That's A divided by B, no? A divided by B. What does that mean? No? So, diri pananglitan, no? We can say 3 divides 6, right? Because you can write 6 in terms of 3 times 2. And 2 is an integer, right? But on the other hand, here, 3 slash 6 is 3 divided by 6. Nakuot na ko, class. Okay? 3 divided by 6. Okay, what is 3 divided by 6? That is 1/2. No? Or 0.5. May gani exact. No? So that's the difference, class, ha? Kani siya divides. Kaning straight line, 90 degrees. Kaning slash, no, that's around 60 degrees pa na. No? That is divided by. It's the process of division. This one is the relationship. Divides. This one is the process of dividing. You perform division. Here, you check no? The remainder upon dividing. So for it to be divides, the remainder should be 0. Okay? Yeah, I hope so. Ito na ako i-share screen kay obvious man to. Obvious nga dili obvious. Okay, next. So the notation we already had, that's 90 degrees, that's divide. That's not divide. Okay? Animate pa na kung pang. Okay? Tangalan kay slash class, that's not divide na, no? The slash means not. Okay? So dili siya divide. Okay. In the chat box, yes or no, number 1, A, B, and C. And then Y. Okay? Take it out. A ni siya, B ni siya, C ni siya, and D ni siya. Okay? Put in the chat box. Answer the question why, ha? Butangan ninyo, no? Katong ganiha ba nga? 3 divide 6 because, come on, we can write 6, balik yun ni class, aron ma-master, times 2. No? Yeah, 2 is an integer. Ano ra class? Inyong answer, ha? Sige, let me see a few answers. Meaning there's no remainder, ha? Okay, this is letter A, letter B, letter C, letter D. Go. Mingaw pa man. Fights lang, class. Fights lang. Laban lang.
Nag-isod type, Dok.
Mo ba? Typing ra na, oy, 101. Okay. Sir Mike June, Mike Jumel. 13 divides 182 because we can write 182 as 13 times. Lisod judo, sir? Sa cellphone. Sige, mag-anad, sir. Madugay din na malisod.
Lisod man gid sa mobile, Dok. Kaya magbagong-bagong pa ka sa iyahang kuan ba.
What is the lesson learned there? You buy a laptop. Diba? Wala kay laptop, sir. Laptop is our best friend, no? Na di atong class record, na atong mga Facebook.
Na ba
Atong
yan, Dok? Pero
messenger.
dito sa kuan sa Sibonga, na pag-arigod sa
Okay.
Mandaue.
Okay. Sige, buy 2 laptops. Kaya ba mo, tagpila na lang laptop, kabarato na lang, di ba? Nanay 10,000, ay 5,000. Daghan sa imol ay, palitan gina ako kung mga anak, kay barato kayo. Pero, lagi na, syempre, hinay, no? Karaan, hinay man na. Pero, magamit. Lipay ka na yung mga zante, magdadala mo lang. Una na to, no? You prioritize things that are necessary in our work, no? Yeah. From our work, we get money. So, we buy food. Cycle na ang life. Okay, asa na? Okay. 14, no? 14. Okay. Okay. Katon mo, patience is a virtue. Okay, what else? So, kita na kog letter B. Hey, thank you, Sir Jack Jones. Okay. Okay. Kita na kog letter B. What about letter C? and D. Uy, nanay D. Oh, very good. Ito D, kita naman po itong D. Oh, yes, Jonomer. Very good. Remember, it's a slash, no? I mean, slash. An upright, ano. It's a bar. Bar ba tawag din eh? Sir, Ma'am Joname, i-straight line na imong kuan, ma'am. Diba kurat ang nangisgot anang difference between a straight and a 60-degree slash. No? La 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 la, B, C, D. Okay. Okay na, nanay D. Okay. Okay? So, A, what about A? We can write 182 as ito, 13 times 14, no? So, check siya. Okay? So, 30 can be written as -5 times, o para ma-positive, ato sa siyang i-times of negative, no? No? Then, letter C, rather, 44, marag na ani butal, no? Karinyo butal, times, sila? 7, no? Times 7. Yan ay remainder nga 2. Diba? Or it can be written as 6 times, sila man. 7.66, ma'am, no? Ma'am?
7.33 daw.
7 and 1/3. Oh. Ito to, ma'am?
7.3.
7.3. 7 and 1/3. Ano? Yeah, 7 and 1/3 is not an integer. Okay. Finally, 50 can be written as 7 times 7. No? Yan, ay remainder nga 1. Ay, saan naman yun? 7 times 7 with a remainder of 1 over 7. Okay? So, this A and B are checked. No? And then, C and D are not divisible. Check na siya. 1, 2. Okay? This one is not divisible. Okay? Okay, sige. Next. Okay? Yan. Now, these are the answers. So, yes, it is divisible. Okay, yes, it is divisible. Na ako yung mahatag, no, kani. Okay, 6 does not divide 44 and 7 does not divide 50. Okay? -3 divides 33 and 17 divides 0. Why? Why is this, class? Can you write in the chat box why 17 divides 0? Why does 17 divide 0? Go. What you mean undefined? Go back to the definition, no? Go back to the definition. Always go back to the definition, no? The definition is that A divides B if B can be written in terms of A times a C. C, an integer. Mo ginang definition, class. Therefore, 17 divides 0 because, okay? Because we can write 0 as 17 times what? What is the question there? 17 times 0. Okay, ano lang class? And 0 is an integer. Right?
17
Aha.
times.
Ganyan lang ang buhay. Huwag guluhin.
Okay, Doc.
Go back always to the definition, ha? Una itong puhunan ang definition. Ha? Kaya bahalag asa-asa taiki, ha? Kung natay ka matuuran, mo tay problema. No? Negative 3 divides 33 because we can write 33 in terms of negative 3. Multiplying it by what? Negative 11.
11.
Okay, perfect. In the same manner that, sa mga anak ko na pangutan. Kani, 17 divides 289. 17 divides 289 because we can write 289. Balik-balik yun ah, syarong di ma-master. In terms of 17 times an integer. What's that integer? 17. 17 ba?
17, Doc.
Nagpataka lang ko. Okay. Ano na siya, class? Ha? Ayaw na siya glibuga. Okay? Sige. I hope so. There will be more of this in the exercises. Okay. Move on na ta. Okay. Next. We're talking of divisors here. Put in the chat box what are the divisors of 6, 17, and 100. Go, class. Okay, what are the divisors of 6, 17, and 100? Type lang ng type. Divisors ha, kanang makadivide niya. Let me see your answers before I give a correct answer. 1 and 0. Ansa na? Kaysa. Ang tag-prutas. Prutas is life. Utan is life. Isda is life. Nalingaw ko sa many. Di ba kung kay tantong many? Ikaw, ma'am, ha? O si ma'am ba ni o si sir? Ma'am Riza. Tingnan ko ni mo. Basta ma'am, daghan.
Sorry.
Hindi ka bayran, ma'am. Be specific, okay? Naugan naman niya akong pumelo. Sus, napa mo sa kong tapad class, makakaon mo ani ako ang kuan. Before the pandemic, no, malingaw ko kay mga uning mais. Unsay mo agi sa classroom, mamalit ko kaon ni. Okay. Mo dry mo kuan. Pumelo kay mo dry siya. Siya makaon. Sayang. Let me sa pumelo. Okay na, I'm ready. Sige, in 6, what divides 6, no? Okay, class. Lugod taog, 1, no? Nod 2. Nod 3. 4 dili, 5 dili, and 6. Okay? Kana, plus the negative, no? Of everything. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and kana. Well, 17. Okay? Saman. Prime man no? So 1 ra and 17.
1 and 17.
And it's
one and
negative.
negative.
Negatives nila, no? Okay, magtinapulanta. Divisors of 100. Sige, go, class. Dictate.
1,
1,
1,
4, 5,
4,
4,
5,
5,
10,
5, 10,
20,
10,
25,
20,
20,
25,
20, 20, and 5,
50,
and
50,
50, and
100.
red,
and it's
and their
negative.
negative. And
and
their
it's
negative.
negative.
There na lang
Negatives.
ma'am. Okay,
They're
perfect, no? So, how will you check? Kanang paris-paris ni sila, no? Okay? Like sa 6, kinse paris ni 1.
Si
6. Kinse paris ni 2.
Si 3,
Okay. Diri sa 100, siyempre 17 sila lang duha, no? Sa 100, kinse paris ni 1.
100,
100.
Okay. Ha? Kinsa, oh sorry. Oy. Kinse paris ni 2.
50,
50,
Okay. Pares-pares na sila. Pares ni 4.
25,
25,
5 ka, 20. Napo ka, napo.
G's,
Itself.
10,
Yung partner ni 1, si 100. Okay, so you can check ba nga, na pa ba ko nalimtan? Okay, so those are the answers, no? Plus minus na siya, class. Okay? Perfect naman sa exam, ha? Bantay. Bantay, chalang. Okay. So we have a theorem that if A and B and C are integers, A divides B and B divides C, then by transitive property, this is the transitive property, no? A divides C, no? As an example, by the way, we prove a theorem generally, no? Dili daw ato ng example sa proof, ha? So, ayaw ko ninyo tagay example o mag-prove mo, ha? Pwede after the proof, maghatag ng example, na? Palitan example. Saman ito example, no? Ang 2 mo divide sa 6, no? Okay? Ang 6 mo divide sa talang 18, na? Ba? If A is 2, B is 6, and C is 18, we have 2 divides, here, oh. 2 divides naman 6. Right? And this one, B divides 18. So what's your conclusion? That's if. What is your then? Put in the chat box. Okay, put in the chat box. Okay, perfect. That is what the theorem is saying. Now then, 2 divides 18. Why? Why is that? Because you can write 18 in terms of 2 times an integer. No, what is that integer? It's 9. Okay? So how do we prove this? No? Given 2 divides 6, no? Why? Because we can write 6 in terms of 2 times 3, right? Ay, saan naman ko eh? Siya, no? Okay? Ang sa ko niya, kaya naglabad siya. Okay? And since 6 divides 18, that means 18 can be written as 6 times 3. Na? Class. So with that, we can write 18 as 6. This one, no? 6. Right? We can substitute 6 with this from the above, no? Times 3. Okay, and by associativity, you can write 2 times. Yeah, transfer the parenthesis 3 times 3. And what is that? That is 2 times 9. Right? And that is what we want to show. Okay? Here, 18 equals 2 times 9. That is our then. Okay? In an example form. In an example form. Okay? But in abstract or general form, what do you have? Let's look at it. Okay? Because A and B divides C, we have, later na lang. Later na lang, class. Okay? This one, we are given this one, no? Given A divides B. What does that mean again? That we can write B in terms of A times something. Yan na may C, gamit na lang tag D. D an integer. Okay? Understood na integer sila. Secondly, we are given that B divides C. What does that mean? It means that we can write C
B is
in
equal
terms
to
of B, sa paisunod sa D. E.
E.
Sakto, are you with me, class? Oh, this is the beauty of, proving. Unsa naman, ma'am? Definition, Rani. No? That kung A mo divide sa B, masulat ang B in terms of A times another integer. Similarly, kung ang B mo divide ni C, we can write C, itong naulahi ba, no? In terms of ng una, times another integer. Yan, gamit naman tag D, sunod sa D, E na siya, no? So what we want to show is, ang then, no? Ang then. Okay? We are to show that A divides C. So kung mangudigutanan atong imarites nan, so ipasabutan na, ma'am. That means we can write C in terms of A times naman tay D na anay E, ignon talang F. So D, E, and F are integers. So from this given, gikan sa given class, kani ang given, saan na ito pagkuhaan ni? So we go back to what is given. From here, naaman tayo C, no? C man itong pangta, di ba? C, nantay C, oh. Kinanglan marites ka, class. Kinanglan makita ka, unsa gani na anak ko, na ako ani. Kinanglan ko ani. So pwede na ito ni gamiton. Given man na. Natag na ni Lord. Mo ni atong ipakita. No? Okay? So, given ni, kani atong gamiton. From there, we can use mathematics and definitions to Prove. No? So, ano ni ang prove? Ha? Ay, sorry. Yan. Saan na ganito, class? Okay, means that C equals, ako lang i-ikuan ha.
B times E daw.
Na-erase ba ko ani? Oy, na-erase man tanan. Lang. Okay, kani akong sapawan. Means that I can write C in terms of B times E. Na? So, I will use this. Okay? Utang na ko sa ubos. Lang tao dapit. Okay? So, unsa gani pud to ang given? B, napud tay B, no? Okay? Tara ay, B is AD. No? So, substitute pa ni na tong B, kani o. Ba? A times D, kani. A times D. Times A, copy. No? Okay, class. And then, hapit na on, nanay A, F na like kuwang, nanay A. No? Okay, so with that, we can do associativity. Ibalhin na to ang parenthesis. No? Biktima, di ko aning ini-click, bitaw naka-outside niya, mulak na siya. So, kani ato ni ibalhin. Ano ito ibalhin din eh. Kani ato ibalhin sa tumoy. Diba? Hapit na jud. Oh, hapit na paparehag na. No? So, we continue and we say A equals A times. We can call this now the whole thing F. No? Where F is D times E. Okay? Yeah, since all of these are integers, then the product is also an integer. So an integer times an integer is also an integer. Thus, we have proven, no, that we can write, no, C in terms of A times another integer F. And conclusion, A divides C. Okay? Gets class? Hindi ko ganahan mo diretso ato. Kani ba, no? Malalabog kayo, no? So at first, to review, we are given A divides B and B divides C. No? Since A divides B, we can write B. Bali lang niya, class. We can write B in terms of A times A. And since B divides C, we can write C in terms of B times F. Kung siya ni gamit og D, ha? Kita ni agi sa tag D. Amot nga ni diretso na siyang A og F. Okay, ganito sa nato. Kay mo end man ta og C. So, ang sunod sa C is B. Okay, accordingly, from here, C equals BF, given man na, no? C equals BF. Diri na, gikan ha? Okay? Kunya, kang BF na amantay B. Tara, oh, B. Ano siya, no? Siguro kuan siya, walhon. Or insect. Nagsagod siya right to left. So, ang B equals AA, no? So, ilisa na to ang B ug AA. Okay? And then by associativity, ibalhin na to ang parenthesis. Sanahin mo na siyang EF. Yang EF, pwede na to tawgon o D, no? AD. Therefore, A divides. Amen? Screenshot para wag mahuhubog. Lika lang ang video class, ang medyo loading gamay, ha? I know that sometimes at first run, no? Okay, according to research, katulog yun na balik-balikon class una masabtan, ha? Kapoy bayag balik po. One word is enough, no? Okay. So next. Okay, sige. Can you show? Ako na lang show para makasave ko. Oops. Hindi ko nang show. Sige, kamo na lang show. Na lang. Madali, no? Okay. So, here, if 11 divides 66, what does that mean? Means that 66 can be written as 11 times 6, right? And pila man ning 198 divided by 66 class? Tabangi ko, be. Ayo.
Idong.
Pila man?
3, Dok. 3.
Tira. Ay, sus ka sayon. Okay? So with that, kaning 198 ug 11. May mga
18.
diguta, no? Kay, we can write 198 11 times 6. Ma'am?
18, Doc.
15. Kadako,
18.
no?
18.
Okay, as you can see, kita ka 11. 11 times 6 times 3. Diba? Diba? Because here you can write 198 as 66. What is 66?
11
Ano?
3, Dok.
Okay, 11 times 6. Ba? From 66 ba? No?
Yes, Doc.
That's your
Yes, Doc.
okay? Times 3. Okay. Ngayon, itong i-associative, no? Will become 11 times 6 times 3. Okay? Ano ba yan mga gnobas? Okay. So we now have 11 times 18. Okay. See? Kani mo niya ang magic na mag-calculator rin ta. But if we use the theorem 1.8, mao ni siya ang reason. Beauty of number theory. Okay? Let's have another theorem. Ma-appreciate na niyo ang shortcut because kabalo naman mo sa long cut. This is the long cut. And this is the shortcut. Diretso din tagdugdug, no? Okay, next. Another theorem says that if A, B, and M and N are integers, so pat na ginikabok integers, no? Ang katingalahan kay ang C divides A and C divides B. Okay? So with that, if C divides A, we can write C, A in terms of C. Times an integer. So may magamit D, no? D. Like D, no? Okay. Likewise, if C divides B, we can write B in terms of C times susunod sa D, E.
E.
Sure, gamit niya M o N. Yun na lang class, no? Okay? So when you multiply A by an integer M and then B by an integer N and then add, it will also be divisible by C. Okay? For example, let's have some examples, no? Na ang C mo divide sa A. Eh, let A, B. Simple lang ang numbers. Let's say 2, no? Nakuun lang nato kay C divides A baya. Ako siya gamay. Say 8, no? 8. So, then B is 20. Na lang, no? And we let C be 4. Okay? So, in this case, C divides, 4 divides 8, right? Okay? C divides 8. Pero, no, because 4 divides 8. Okay? Similarly, C divides B. Because 4 divides 20. Right? Okay, so what's your conclusion? We let M be tulag 3 para sa yun, no? and B3. Okay? So what do you have? That's 4 divide okay, C equal to 4 divide M. What is M? 2 times 8
8 daw.
8 daw.
plus 3 times 20.
3 times 20.
Huh? Are you with me?
3
Yes, daw.
times
Ilan man ang 2 times
16
16
8? 60.
plus
plus
60.
60
Plus
76.
76. That's 4 divide 76. Yes or no?
Yes.
You write
Yes, daw.
76?
Yes, daw.
Yes. Ilan man?
19. 4 and 19.
19. Positive.
19 daw.
Thank you. And the remainder is 0. Na? And 19 is an integer. Ano na siya kasabot sa theorem. Okay? Although mahaba-habang usap. Okay? So accordingly, from your end, you should know how to substitute values, ha? To exemplify this one. Kanang mga then class, that's the conclusion. Okay? Because it's always if hypothesis, then conclusion. If hypothesis, kay daghan, no? Manang E. Kung usara ay, okay? Kasagaran daghan man. Then, that's your then. No? Conclusion. Okay? So the if here, as you can see, is this. If. Mao ni ang given. Nag-click naman ko, blue. Mao ni ang given. Okay, this is what is given. The hypothesis is given. And then the then is your to show. What you are to show. Huh? Sunod yun ng if class mo na ang given. Okay, and then the then, that is what you are to prove or to show. Okay? Simple lang good para sabtan.
Excuse me.
Sayang man kung mag-nosebleed na mo, may madaal pa uli, no? Yeah, wala lang. Labad pa inyong o. Igla uli, no? Umoy pamahaw. Okay. Okay. Let's continue. Nalubat na ko class.
Doc, excuse me, Doc.
Yes, ma'am.
Na ay magpa-accept, Doc. Kay ni-transfer daw siya
Okay.
food.
Okay, admitted na tanan, ma'am. Thank you. Kani bang Zoom kay iyahang bag kay karang iya bitong annotation floating kuan toolbar kay mutabon sa iyahang notification nga nay magpa-admit. Unang kasagaran dili na mo makita ang naabay nag-waiting, no? Yo say engross na kay kasi imong discussion niya. O di gahulot. So usa ni sa pwedeng i-improve sa Zoom that dili matabunan ng iyahang admittance. Okay? So this is the general proof ng subayon, no? Given C divides A and C divides B, what does that mean? We can write A, o ganahan na siya, wala na bali. In terms of C times E, E po di ang ganahan. Hindi siya nag-D class. Bantay mo? D, dead ma. And then the second one, kani, C divides B means that we can write B in terms of C times another integer F. Huh? So, with that, when we have this, which we are to show, substitute lang nato si A o si B. Huh? We know naman the values. Okay, this is A and this is B. So, here, MA. MA, money A. Ha? NB. Mao ni B. Ano nagikan, ma'am? Para ay CE and CF. Okay? So, what is common? C, no? C. So, factoring out C, okay, this one we have ME. ME, we we factor out C. Okay, we factor out C and Dara si C, no? So, ang mabilin ME and NF, this one, no? So, if you have this, that you can write, ano, MA and B in terms of C times something, this is the something, no? Therefore, MA and NB is divisible by C, or C divides MA plus NB, no? So, may kag A divides B, equivalent to B is divisible by A. Okay? Accordingly, ha? Accordingly. That's the general proof. I hope that when you get to see proofs, dili na kayo mo mag-headache, ha? Kaya ang libro klase na, ani manggod siya pagkasulat. Ha? Ato ng tanong og sulat, ani na siya class. C divides A means that, now we can write A, manataan ganiha, in terms of C times something. So, yun ko D, no? And C divides B means that, now we can write B in terms of C times something. E, no? E atong gamit. Okay, and we are to show that C divides MA plus NF, NB rather. So, if C divides MB, we are to show, no, MA plus NB. So, what is MA plus NB equal to? MA plus NB equals M times, naman tayo value sa A. Right? Darang A, oh, copy and paste. Nila di ay. Paste na to diha. No? Plus NB. N times, naman tayo B, darang B. Oh, B equals, copy and paste. Okay, then, what is common? We have class. Di siya musumpoy. Nag-inarte ni siya. Okay. So, we factor out C. Yes, sir, no? Okay, mahimo man ni siyang kuan class. MCD, right? Plus NCE. NCEE. Panahon na namin. So, ang common dia class kay C. Right? Times, factor out C. Ang mabilin dire, MD and doctor. And NE.
NA.
Okay? So, ang pikas tumoy anak baya kay kani, no? Can be written as C times something. Ang saan na itong nagamit? D, E, F na. F na. Okay? Where F equals this one. The whole thing. Integer man is the tanan, no? So, integer po na siya. So, what's your conclusion? That C divides this one. Kaning naa sa left. No? Ano lang ang life plus? Yeah, that's your conclusion. C divides MA plus NB. Amen? Ah, ganun, no? So kanil class tapulan mangud ang libro iyan ang i1 tut 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 tut. Mana dayon. Kani siya symbol ni nga mana done and dusted. Kani oh, done and dusted. That's a symbol for end of proof, no? But you as a teacher, your role is to simplify, no? To bring it all in one simpler, although, well, nosebleed yapon, ban, no? One simple statement. Yeah, logical man ang brain sa tao. So it is from left to right, top to bottom. So step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, until the conclusion. Okay? That is what we want to show. Amen? Sige, I hope it's okay. Okay? Uy. Let's go.
Yes, Doc.
Yes, Doc.
Ito example. Thank you.
Yes, Doc.
So here, example, ang atong A, ay, atong C kay 3. No? Sige lang, you can always review. Atong C kay 3 divides 21. 21 is our A. No? C divides B, 33. No? So we can say that C, which is 3, divides M, A, no? Plus B, ay, ito ko, N, and then NB. Okay? Para na yung pasabot, no? This is our C. This is our A. This is our C again. And this is our B. Go to the process again. This is our C. And then M. N is negative 3. Okay. So, 105 minus 99 is 6. Therefore, 3 divides 6. Ano na siya? Simplify ni mo ba kani? MA plus NB equals 105 minus 99 equals 6. So, ang conclusion ra kay 3 divides 6. Mura na yung pasabot. No? And does 3 divide 6? Yes. Okay? Sige. So, mag-simplify lang ka. Let A be 3. Ay, A pa. Oy. A be 21. Ganahan mo kita ginaanak. Mas no mo itong gidakan. Ako sa ganahan. C equals. Pila tang C? 3. No? So, remember, 3 divides 21, right? And 3 divides 33, obviously. Huh? But does 3 divide M times MA plus NB? M kay 5, o niya ang N kay negative. Okay, meaning MA plus NB equals what? 5 times 21? Ilang 105, no?
105.
Ano na siya? Plus NB. N is negative 3 times, ay, wala yung negative. T is 32. Ilan man na? Equal to, ano siya class? 105 minus 29. Equal to, okay. What's your conclusion? That 3 divides your C, no? 3 divides that, so 3 divides 6. Obviously. Why? Since we can write 6 in terms of 3 times 2. Remainder. When you say remainder 0, class, that means ano? The division is exact and 2 is an integer. Okay? So, ganun ang buhay. So, you give your own example in the exercises, ha? Okay. Murag final na ni, no? The division algorithm states that given A and B to be integers and B greater than 0, then you can find unique by
Doc,
lain. Yes, sir.
pwede ko mangutan na itong last nga view, kuan Doc, sample Doc.
Yes, sir. Asa to? May problema ato, sir. Ano?
Wala Doc, ako lang i-klaro pa. Kanang,
Ang sir.
di na siya kuan Doc, kanang 5.21 plus 3.33
Times na,
then
sir, ha? Times.
times na siya Doc.
Times.
I mean
10
5.25 times 21 plus
Oo.
3.33. Negative 3 na siya Doc.
Yeah. Kay ang atong theorem kay plus man iyang notation. So the negative will carry over to the B. Alam mo no, MA plus NB, right? So if you have 5, that's your M, and then A is 21. So we have to follow the plus. So ang negative term mo carry sa N. So N is negative 3 times 33. Na. Ano yung question?
Given ni siya ang negative 3 Doc.
Yes, sir. Given man ni dire. Given ni siya. I-check lang nato kung tinuod ba.
Okay.
Given ni siya
Copy
dire,
Doc.
sir. Okay,
Sabi na
thank
ko
you.
plus. Sige Doc.
Plus, gid siya, sir. Here. Original.
Okay. Ang I
So
mean
how do you convert a minus? A minus is a plus times minus, di ba?
that's correct Doc.
Ano ra yung gigamit, sir?
Salamat Doc.
Thank you. Muta na gid ha. Para mo negative siya. Kani, mahimo naman ning 5. Kay mo balik ta sa original, mo man ni ang given sa theorem. Ha? So, mo balik ni sa 5. May simplify ni, no? Ano na ni siya? Makuha na ni siya. Okay? Thank you, sir. Kasi yung ganahan sa times, parenthesis, or star. Mas nindot ang star, no? Mas limpyo siya. Ano tamaan niya? Okay? Sige. Sana to? Okay. So this is the last. It's the division algorithm, no? That when you have A and B to be integers such that B is greater 0, no? Then you can find integers Q and R such that you can write A in terms of B times Q plus R. Ayong kalibog, kay ganihang atong A divides B. This time B divides A, ha? So what he's saying is, when you have A and B integers, no? And B dili siya 0, kay otherwise, undefined ang division. Then there are, no? Unique integers Q and R. Such that you can write A in terms of B times Q plus R. Small b din siya. For example, okay? Let A be itong paboritong 6. And let B be B. Ganang hari. 2. So you can write A, which is 6, in terms of B, which is 2, times a Q. Pangitaon na nimo si Q, mana ang question mark si Q. And then the remainder are. No? So 6 here can be written as 2 times what? 3,
Three.
no? Yeah, what's the remainder?
0.
0. Ano siya, class? No? So we found a Q and an R. So here our Q is 3 and an R to be 0. That is the division algorithm. Huh? Remember, during your elementary years, no, kay mo balik man jud ta, no, kay mo man atong foundation, no? Ingan mo 6 divided by 2, pila? Diba? What do you do? You perform division, diba? Kasulat na ba ko? Di ko kasulat dali ko. Sulat ba ko? Uy, makasulat ko, class. Wow, I love it. O, diba? Diba? Imo man ang i-divide, pila gani ni? Naman na siya, class. Ang dividend. Sod, no? Ang nasgawas, divisor. Nasbabaw kay quotient plus remainder. Ano yung pasabot sa division algorithm, no? So, you have 3. Nga, i-times mo na to. Diba? 3 times 2, 6. Nga, i-minus na to. No? 0. So, mo ni ang remainder. Okay? Or constant division. Padayon pa ta kung dili siya exact. Muna siya. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Remainder 0. Okay? Hi, na-discover na ko ang akong writing skill. Okay, for example, let A be 15. No? And let B be, gandang hari, be 2. Okay, what is the division algorithm? Put in the chat box. Okay? 15 can be written as 2 times what? Ano ang division algorithm, class? Blank plus what? Plus what?
Plus 1. Yeah, plus 1.
Ayun na kayo, di ba? Put in the chat box your answer. Oh, di ba? 2 times 7 plus 1. Perfect. Perfect naman sa exam. 2 times, our Q is 7 and our R is 1. Okay? Q is 7 and R. Ano ang mga master of math class na to the last foundation, sabot mo unsa na yung ipangbuhat. Kaya pa mo divide, no? Pero nga nung inaana na siya, ma'am. Mo na siya. Okay. Sige, in the chat box, write the division algorithm for the following. Go, class. Anong number 2 naman? Kulay ko number 1. Sakto ba to? Hindi po kung ano kung number 2. Okay, we're almost done. I'm setting you free in 10 minutes siguro. Yeah, problem set.
Doc,
Yes, ma'am.
katong last sum on products, Doc, partner to siya, Doc.
Unsa to, ma'am? Partner?
Ah,
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
okay. Salamat.
Find yourself a partner.
Thank you.
Welcome, ma'am. Ganahan ko na kay ka-istorya ba? Or gusto ka manudlo sa mong classmate? No? Or di ka kamao, patudlo ka. Either way, no, you'll be happy. Because that's how we survive class. We help each other. Yes,
Ang sa
ma'am.
pag-upload sa file, isa ra siya ka kuan ma'am. Isa ra ka file ang i-upload.
Yes,
So, for
ma'am.
example,
Usara mo upload. Then do ka names. It's
Okay,
enough.
thank you,
And then
Doc.
sa Google Classroom, mark as done, ha? Mark as done always para dili ma-missing in action.
Good morning,
Doc.
Doc.
Yes, yes, sir. Then, ma'am.
Nang gisend na ko siya sa Google Classroom kay ngadto magud sa Google Form is usaray mabutang nga picture, Doc, no? Kunya ang akong answer kay
Doha man ninyong names. Sa form lang, sir, kasi sometimes dili na ko
Doc.
kaukab sa classroom. Inig-check na ko ba? Usaw na ko check sa form.
Doc, ang sa pairing, Doc ba, pwede sagol sa asa nga section or by section siya?
Pwede ra, sir. Oh, pwede ra. Wala man ta, naka-virtual man ta atong classroom, no? You can
Ah.
pair with other sections. No problem at all. Dili
Okay,
man na
thank you, Doc.
kuan ang sectioning na to, no? You can
Thank you, thank
and
you.
you can also pass kung duha mo mag-pass, okay ra pud. Or usa ra kung chikan ha. Kadto rang nauna. Okay?
Sige daw.
Doc, I have submitted already, but then wala ko'y partner niya. Duha na ko,
Okay ra sad, ma'am.
ang name one, ako, ang name two, okay, ako ra sad to.
Oh,
Okay ra to,
bright
Doc.
ka, ma'am. Oh, okay ra jud na, ma'am. Layo ra nas tinai, ma'am. Wala kay sala. Nalimot bitaw kung ingon ninyo nga partner, pero I thought na makasabot mo sa form na, ay, pwede day mag-partner. Sorry, class. Ay na? Na may answer?
Dok,
May
maka-zoom lang ka, Dok, Dok.
Sir?
Maka-zoom ka na kung napicturan tanan og usa.
Naaron niyo sa Zoom, ako i-upload. Nagbalhin naman kong file, so iniguman na nig-convert. Oh, iniguman na nig-convert, sir. Maka-view ra ka ani again. Pwede ra ka maka-screenshot sa Zoom.
Sige.
Oo.
I mean, atong sa Google Form, Dok, ba kayo usara man kabog picture ma-send, no?
Sa
Pinatulog ko ng
picture?
paper din ako.
File man, sir.
Ay, file.
Usa ra ka
Dili
file ang
siya,
send.
dili siya ma-uploadan og PDF file, Doc, dayon. Ato ra sang C, ang dili jud mi maka-attach og more than one image. Ang the rest kay pwede more than one.
Okay. I'll edit settings, ha? Thank you for the information. Okay? I'll edit settings now.
Thank you, Dok.
Sige. Salamat. Nagkuan ba ko? Ay, limit to one response, no? Sa form ka usara makasubmit.
Pwede naman siguro, Doc, i-upload lang as a document like mag-Word imo lang insert picture.
Ako ban good kay picturean naman na, sir, kay di mas lang gamit og Word. Magkinamot man sila. So muna akong kuan nga mga allow ra pud. Kaya ang
Pero
uban
ang
wala
gibuhat,
may
Doc,
luxury
is akong
laptop.
handwritten, ang gipicturean, akong
Paste sa
translate
Word.
para
Pero sir. Yes, sir. Thank you for that tip. Napoy mo ginana, no? Favor lang nga, yung mga pictures, di lang kaayong ngit-ngit, no? Kay, dugay kay kung man bitaw grado kay kanang sa tag-subject kung open na ng files. Imagine na, kung sa ka-exam, pila na ka-questions, no? Manang, sikat kay ko nga dugay, kung masami to grado. Sorry, class. Masaylo, Okay,
Thank you,
so
Doc.
we're good. Siguro man na ta. Welcome, no? The division algorithm, ano siya? Ano siya? I cannot see. Okay, 133 is 21 times 6 plus 7. Kuha ninyo. And then negative 50 and 8 is 8 times negative 7 plus 6. Okay? Perfect na siya. Okay, so exercises na. Wait for them in the Google Classroom. Okay? Yeah. Hey. We're good. Early tanong. So I'll let you see some of my, so you will understand. Get you to the truth. Before we end. No? So you will understand. Okay? So I'll share with you my view, no? Now I check. Ano siya, class? And ano ba? Tagsa-tagsaon di ko ni sila open, no? Lain-lain na sila na. Ay kinamot, na ay tagsa-tagsaon ko na siya open. No? Kaya una pa ko mo score. Ano siya, class? Sa una na ako. Yan na yung mga score din. Tapos Ay siya, kay pila guni ka files? 3 times 3 files, no? Times number of number of 3 questions, 3 files, times number of students. Dugay di ko mag-check. Yan pa yung mga inaani class ay na, no? Pinagan mo files, no? Una ko, pwede lang usarin yung file. Ako pa gining i-copy, unya i-paste na ko dire para matagsa-tagsa na ko ukab. E kung inaani siya, wala siya naka-hyperlink, that means multiple files ni sila. No? Notice, ako na ibalhin dire para ako maukab. So, grabe jud ang labor, no? Grabe jud siya. Kani ako kaning upon, kani files, upon, kani siya o. Kay siya files kada usa. So, nana sa ubos ako nang ipang. Okay? So, laban lang. Hinay lang ta. May score di ko. Di lang na usa lang na ka-exam. So, napakoy part 1, napakoy midterm, napakoy functions, napakoy operation. Sige lang, nganong ni-enter? Tagams Mariz inabli. Muna nga, mabaga na pugnaong usahay, kay dugay ko kapas umbrado.
Hello, Doc.
Yes, Sir Kim.
Pwede kami maka-edit sa response sa answer sa assignment, Doc?
Honestly, I limited to 1 response, kay usahay, solve na ka, no? Kunya, kung mo usbo ni mong answer ba? Mura siya touch move. So, kausar ako Mintras, wa pa ni mo masubmit, i-review daan. Na naman ta, di ba? Review sa nato daan. O niya, kanang, pa na to i-submit kung sure na ta na-review ni. Okay? Anak lang ha. I'm sorry for that. I have to limit the response kay. Kung sa physical, pa na siya, face to face, nahatag na ni mo na ko ang papel niya. I mean ka, ay ma'am, ambita mo. Pwede delete na. Ha? Okay?
Yes, Doc.
Okay, Doc. Thank you.
Na lang nato i-control para naapod tayo quality gamay, no? Sa gamay. Iwas ta, I know, I trust you na dili mo magkinipyahay ba, no? So like, kaibaw ka niyang, lo, di ba nagnana akong answer, niya gusto ka usubon mo yung answer, no? I-avoid lang nato. Okay? So while you can, sige, pangutan na tanan, ni mo pasmit na ayaw sa ipas. Deadline na, you already pass. Submit na kay no return, no exchange. Siya. Once turned in, maana na siya. Okay? Sige, let's sing our song, our beautiful, saan naman ako naman?
Excuse me, Doc.
Yes, sir.
Ganiya, Doc ba? Wala rin ko naka-attendance, Doc. Pwede ko mangayos sa link balik, Doc.
Sure. Thank you for reminding, no? Kaya I said,
Thank you, Doc.
I'll share the attendance before, during, and before going home. Yes, sir. Here na, sir. Okay? Sige. While those who haven't filled in the attendance, no? Fill it up now while we sing our song of praise. Okay? Nakarita sa City Hill. Pero ganahan ko kuan. Sugbo lang ta. Asyan. Ganahan ko sugbo. Ikon. Para di po mo pulan.
Subuhan ang kabubutan sa habagatan, kinapusuran, lalawigan, sa kabisayan, sa kaalam, adunahan, sa among gugmaog lumukan.
Okay. Bye, everyone. Thank you for coming.
Bye,
God
Doc.
bless.
Salamat. Doc, thank you, Doc.
Thank you, Doc. Thank you, Doc.
Thank you.
Thank you, Doc.
Thank
Okay,
you, Doc.
welcome. Permission to
Thank
end.
you, Doc.
Bye. Bye.